Hi everyone, it's 9:43 p.m. It's a Friday and I thought why I'm not making a video comparison of Cypress versus Selenium, and yeah, here we are. So I was thinking about the main differences between the two frameworks, and just wanted to give you a bit of advice on what to use and when while I'm working. So let's start. For the Cypress enthusiasts, you may choose Cypress if you are validating a single page application. Moreover, you will choose Cypress if you are currently testing JavaScript based websites, and let's say you are good at JavaScript and TypeScript, you are familiar with those languages, you will like Cypress because it basically supports those two languages. You use it primarily for testing. You do not do any manipulation of locators, etc. on the website, and you don't need to test in not Chromium based websites. So you test on Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and you do not test on Safari, for example. And yeah, basically you have that specific use case. You maybe you're interacting with a dashboard like platform, and basically it uses a lot of React and JavaScript. So you decide to use, and it's a single page application, and so you decide to use Cypress because it's quick. It does the job for JavaScript based applications. You can integrate easily on the CI, and yeah, it's a quick set of quick framework with a cool set of tools that you can use in your projects. You can test end to end and also on component based level. Then let's define a bit of the person that will choose Selenium over Cypress. You need to test a project which may involve legacy systems, and maybe you need to go into Internet Explorer, or let's say you need to test an e-commerce website that basically has most of its users on iOS and they use Safari, for example. You will use Selenium if you need to do operations which are more complex than a single page application, so you need to navigate through multiple different tabs. You need a framework that supports natively multi-threading, for example. So with Selenium and Java you can do that. You are able to use the languages that you want. You can choose Java, Python, anything else. And yeah, it's basically, as a framework, allows you to do multiple actions, and then you get to decide which is the best use of Selenium for your case. You may not only need to do operations on as testing, for example. You may not need also to extract data. So you could use Selenium as a data scraper or upload informations in a database. You can manipulate those elements to get the best results that you want. Automation testing is only a practice that you can follow, and it does that perfectly. But it's up to you to decide how to best use Selenium in your specific scenario. And it can be integrated in CI. I don't honestly see the difference between having Cypress and Selenium. They're more over the same in terms of timing. You can integrate Selenium and Appium to perform the testing on the mobile view. What else? Yeah, basically that. In summary, if you have a single page application that uses JavaScript, that is on React, and you need to only perform operations in that page, you do not need to do anything else. Use Cypress. If you have a more complex project where you need to outside operations of that window, maybe navigate to other windows, maybe you need to use Java or Python as a language to write test scripts, then use Selenium. Basically that. Hope you liked this brief description. Just something I thought about today on why choose one versus the other, and also see many videos on that, which are not quite comprehensive of this solution. Hope I gave you a bit of an idea on what to use and when. All right, see you all in the next one.